Here with the Apple AirPod Pros 3. We're going to do a kind of a quick and dirty boxing today. I know I'm a little late. These came out in the fall, of 2025 with all Apple's, new phones and everything like that. But I just got a hold of them, for a Christmas gift. So I thought I'd show you, what comes in the package here. So with no further ado, let's roll that unboxing clip. Hello, folks. We're here today with the Apple AirPods Pro, and this is the third version of the AirPod Pros, AirPods Pro 3, model A308083. I don't know if those numbers mean anything or not. Designed by Apple in California, product made in Vietnam. So, okay, here we go. I've already torn the the plastic off of it. This is what the outer box looks like. You got some warnings and stuff here and some technical stuff on the back here, so on and so forth. And okay, so this is Apple logo, Apple AirPods Pro. There's the picture of the product right there. Of course, the set there. So let's open up. It says plastic is already removed. And this is really well made, cardboard here, very well constructed, doesn't bend, push in at all. There's a little serial number down there. If you need that later. Otherwise, nothing on the inside of the box. But we're going to put that kind of to the side right here now. Now, right on the top here, you get a little, it said designed by Apple in California. It's a little place to pull out there. And it's, some booklets and stuff in here. There you go. And here's a, probably like a little get started guide here. Some other booklets here. Sometimes you get stickers. I don't see any stickers here, so no stickers this time. But booklets here, warnings and so on. Here's how shows you how to pair them with your phone and all that. Which maybe we'll get to that in another video here. This is sort of just the unboxing. First look at the product here. Okay, so here looks like the pros themselves too in their case. So let's take this paper off here. Get that off here. This is trash now. So there's the AirPods themselves. You open them up here. There they are sitting in there. That light indicates the charge, fully charged. And let's see here. Here's a little, we'll call it a little metal piece here where you can put a lanyard in. So you can wear them around your neck or just in your pocket with a lanyard. Maybe easy to pull out. Maybe you won't lose them as much. There's a metal bracket in the back where, it opens up. More Apple branding there. And nothing on the side. Now on the bottom, you have a USB-C port for charging. Now these also charge wireless, so you sit them on like the same type of, you don't get a charger in the box or anything, but you sit them on that thing. Same thing charges your like Apple Watch will charge this. As far as, Apple makes a lot of these, on what you call them, where you set the product on and it charges. Again, same one it works with the watch will work with this, but in the past these come with these little it's a USB-C cord on one end, a little thing, but this doesn't come with that. So, but again, you can always charge them just by plugging USB-C in here. I believe one of these down here, I believe one is a mic and one's a speaker. I believe so. I don't think they don't show charge level or anything like that, or maybe they show charge level. Maybe there are lights and they show charge level when you plug in. We'll investigate that further here. Put that in a later section of the video. So yeah, so let me go back here. They come with an ear tip one. We'll show you more ear tips in a second here. They're a little bit different in design than the two Pros were. This is a piece that goes inside your ear there. These are, microphones here. More of a, so these are mics. I don't know what that is. I think that may be a mic too. And you have a left and a right here. So this one's exactly like the other one, except it's right. You have the stems here, of course. There's the bottom. They go all the way. You can see in the very bottom there maybe where the charging piece of metal down there. Okay, we'll put them back in the case here. and these charge up themselves. And of course, the recharge you put them in the case, and you don't have to plug this in all the time. And say the case here is fully charged, and you wear the actual earpods down, and you can put them back in this case. You don't have to be connected to anything to charge them back up a couple times before you need to charge the case up or charge everything up. When you plug them in or put them on the wireless charging thing, I think it first charges the, I don't know, it'll charge either the case first or the AirPods first. I don't know, but you can check on your phone to see the charge status of either one of them. Okay, now here at the bottom of the box, we have the, it has alternative sizes for, the fit here, custom fit. So, small to large. And I think the ones that are already in here, oops, sorry for that drop there. The ones already in there look like they're bigger than this one, but not as big as this one. You can see that. So, and that's it in the box here. So that is the kind of the quick and dirty unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro 3s. So that's it for this portion of the video. It's kind of showing you how you change them here. Maybe we'll show you that in a later video here if you get anything out of this. All right. I don't know if this is going to be a standalone video or this will be part of a bigger video. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of the AirPod Pro 3s. I really can't wait to get them, test them out, and I'll come back with my, kind of review impressions of, of how they sound, if they're worth upgrading if you have something like the AirPod Pro 2s, that came out a few years before. So yeah, we'll see it in that next video with these. And the usual things here. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member, ring that bell, and I got a buy me a coffee link around here to throw me a couple little spare change for hot coffee this time of year. So thanks for watching, and we'll see. I'm going to link another video up here, so we'll see you at that next video.